Please join me for the best chicken taco.
What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen.
Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay with me for the entire video. Please hit that like button. Let this video go viral so others can enjoy my Jamaican recipes. Alright guys, so to do this, I will be using frozen chicken breast. I've washed and cleaned it. Still frozen guys, I will use my inverted part of my grater and grate this and then place it in a bowl. All right, my whimsical family, I moved next to season with my favorite chicken seasoning, some garlic, parsley, and salt mix, some crushed cloves and allspice, some paprika, drizzle of olive oil, Maggi brown sauce, rub it in and allow to marinate. Now let me pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, I move now to share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Philippians 1 verse 3. It reminds us that we ought to be in a state of constant thankfulness. When we do that, we give justice to God who gives us everything. We must train our minds to remember that everything we have is because of the generosity of our Father God in heaven. It's time for birthday wishes and anniversary celebration. Happy extra special birthday to Tyra, Taisha, Janaya, Chesia, and my cousin Chantel. Extra special anniversary greeting to my friend Cheryl. Know that Win sees, loves, and appreciate you all. All right, family and friends, I just jump right back into the cooking. In about a tablespoon of coconut oil, I will add my minced chicken. I will stir this and nicely fry it off, fry off all the juices to get my chicken well flavored. Next, I will add my onion, bell pepper, and tomatoes. I will add a can of kidney beans and then guys about half cup of water. Get all of the kidney bean sauce from the can. All right, family and friends, and time now for nice up the sauce. So I'm gonna add to that some powdered seasoning, some cracked black pepper, some thyme, some rosemary guys, a little bit of basil, salt to taste guys. I'm gonna just stir that in, cover it up, and allow it to simmer. All right guys, this smells good. It's perfectly seasoned guys, and it's simmering nicely. Now please remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna get my tortilla wrap guys, and then I will coat this with some sauce, put it on an oven rack, and allow it to toast for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's well shaped, and this is what you want it to look like. So time now to put it all together. I'm gonna add some lettuce and some chopped tomatoes to that. I will add to that the chicken guys, and of course some provolone cheese. Guys, I'm using 2 types of cheese. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you. So guys, look at this. Awesome, delicious. Can't wait for dig in good. I'm gonna add to that also some sharp cheddar cheese. Add more lettuce and tomatoes to this. I will drizzle onto this sauce made of mayo, ketchup, mustard, and hot pepper, guys. And guys, just look at this. It looks inviting. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, guys, me I go jump in at this with a big bite and just look at how mouth-watering goodness this is. Thank you so much, guys, for spending the time in the kitchen with me. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Turn on your post notification. Of course, leave a comment in the comment section. Remember to hit that like button before you go so other persons can get access to this video. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.